In a world where convenience and automation often take the lead, there's something undeniably special about craftsmanship and a personal touch. For Tommy Reichelderfer, this connection is brought to life in his incredibly unique creation, the Odd Rod. This wild, one-of-a-kind Mazda Miata has become more than just a car. It's a symbol of Tommy's passion for engineering, design, and the car community. The Odd Rod story begins with a simple first-generation Mazda MX-5, a car beloved by many for its nimble handling and sporty design. But Tommy had other ideas. Working at a shop specializing in Ford V8s, Tommy's passion for cars led him to embark on a journey to create something like no other. Over the course of more than a decade, Tommy transformed the Miata into a one-of-a-kind creation that defies all expectations. The Odd Rod is the result of Tommy's labor of love, where he applied every bit of his machining skills and engineering knowledge to bring this dream car to life. Aside from the louvers, which were outsourced, Tommy crafted nearly every part of this car by hand. This includes the Ford V8 engine, complete with transparent valve covers, a TIG-welded cage, and an entirely bespoke front clip. The attention to detail is second to none. From the custom headlights to the front grille and dive planes, Tommy's craftsmanship is on full display. But the Odd Rod isn't just about its looks, it's about raw performance too. It boasts an impressive 450 horsepower at the crank, thanks to that Ford V8 engine, which provides an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. When paired with its lightweight build of just 2,140 pounds, this car is a true performance beast. To put it into perspective, it has a power-to-weight ratio of 0.213, which is more than comparable to some of the world's most exotic cars, including the Bugatti Veyron, which has a power-to-weight ratio of about 0. This means the Odd Rod isn't just built to stand out, it's built to fly. The performance enhancements don't stop with the engine. Tommy installed a Tremec 5-speed manual gearbox to give the driver full control of the car's power. For stopping power, it features Wilwood 6-piston front brakes and Wilwood 4-piston rear brakes, ensuring that this powerhouse can be brought to a halt as easily as it accelerates. The BC coilovers and suspension components from V8 Roadsters provide a solid foundation, making sure the Odd Rod handles like a dream, no matter how tight the turns are. In 2022, the Odd Rod was featured on Top Gear, and it quickly gained attention for its wild design and stunning performance. However, despite its fame and the significant amount of work that went into its construction, Tommy is now ready to part with this exceptional vehicle. The car is listed for $37,500, which may sound like a hefty price tag, but when you consider the hundreds of hours and over $100,000 invested into building it, the price becomes more understandable. Tommy's listing is even flexible, offering potential buyers the option to purchase the Odd Rod without the drivetrain, allowing them to customize the car as they see fit. It's a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive artistry that combines performance, style, and a great deal of personal craftsmanship. The Odd Rod is more than just a car, it's a testament to the passion and creativity that comes with building something from the ground up. For those who want to own a true piece of automotive history, a car that has taken over a decade to build and represents the epitome of what it means to be a car enthusiast, the Odd Rod is now available for sale. But make no mistake, this isn't just another car. It's a work of art, a labor of love, and a rare gem in the world of custom vehicles.